चलो ये करते हैं इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. बहुत रोना हो गया. लेट्स डू दिस वन. पहले इसका कॉन्सेप्ट करते हैं. लेट्स डू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस वन फर्स्ट. Okay, what is the concept behind this chapter? The concept is, you know what is increasing function? Increasing function क्या होता है? So first I have, if I have a coordinate in here, I have x and I have y in here, right? Okay. Now if I draw a function, like this, without even thinking, by looking at this one, you say this one is increasing function. Why this one is increasing? Because for every increasing x, if I increase the value of x, the y value is also increasing. Yes or no? Yes or no? With increase in x, the y value is also increasing. Or basically we can say, if I increase x, if fx is increasing, we can say that the function to be increasing function. Okay? But iska definition, but the definition of this thing is something different. What is that? It's that if I take 2 points, one is, so let me take a different color. One is x1 and the other one is x2. Now, if this is function fx, the corresponding to x1 point, the function we get was fx1. Yes or no? And the corresponding to the point x2, we have what? fx2. Am I clear? Now, how can I say this function fx to be increasing? Look at here. If x2 greater than x1 implies, if x2 greater than x1 implies fx2 greater than fx1, then we can say fx is increasing. समझ में आया? Have you got it? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Please tell me. Have you got it? Why it is called increasing function? Am I clear? Understood? But look, increasing function क्या? Increasing function का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by increasing function? When I am increasing the value of x, if I suppose here the value of x is 1, the value of x is 2, the value of x is 3, the value of x is 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically this x2 value is more than x1 value, right? If I increase the value of x and the function value, what is the function value? The function value basically ये होता है. These are the function values. These are the values of the function. So if I, for 3, the function value is this much. For 4, the function value is for 4, it is more than 3. For the value 5, the function value is more, and for the value 6, the function value is the greatest. Yes? So if you keep on increasing x, the value of x, the value of fx increases. Am I clear? If I keep on increasing the value of x, the value of fx increases. Understood? समझ में आया कि नहीं? So if I say a right hand side value, if I take any right hand side value, x2, if x2 is greater than x1, if I take a point 6, 6 is greater than 4, if this implies that f of 6 is greater than f of 4, then we can say it's an increasing function. But 6 is greater than 4, but I see that f of 6 is less than f of 4. Suppose my function looks like this. If this is 4, this is 6. लेकिन मेरा फंक्शन ऐसे दिखता है, पर इसके लिए मैं इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन नहीं बोल सकता. दिस इज डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. This one is what? Decreasing function. Because when I keep on increasing my value of x, the function is what? This height is what? Decreasing, right? Yes or no? Am I clear? Understood, guys? Yes or no? आया कि नहीं आया? This is the basic concept. Actually, this thing you don't need while solving the question. This is the basic concept of it. Acha, now, this is a special type of increasing. Now, this is a special type of increasing. The special type is, this is known as strictly increasing. Strictly increasing का मतलब ये होता है that it will just increase. It will not do anything other than increasing. Okay, so that's strictly increasing. Now I will tell you what do you mean by increasing. Wait a second. So here I will draw a graph, and the graph looks like this one. So this is what, actually let me draw it nicely. So this is what my graph looks like. Okay, so here this side is my x, this side is my y or fx is the same thing. So fx is this one, this function is fx. Now look at here. Now let us take 2 points. Let us take x1 in here and let us take x2 in here. I have taken 2 points, x1 and x2, right? Now say if x2 is greater than x1, I am taking x2 is greater than x1, right? Implies f of x2 is greater than f of x1. But one question might arise in our head. Look, there are point on this curve, this line, there are point on this curve where if I take x1 and x2 in here, suppose I have taken x1 and x2 in here, I can take, because x1 and x2 are any 2 points. But you see, the value of the function is same. The value of the function is same, yes or no? Jaldi batao, yes or no? The height of the function remains same, right? Am I clear? So when x2 is greater than x1, fx2 is greater than or equal to fx1. fx2 is greater than or equal to fx1, then fx is increasing function. इसके लिए मैं बोलूंगा increasing function. Previously it was strictly increasing function. Here it is increasing function. Why? Because for any two values of x, I can have values of fx to be equal also. Everyone got this one? Yes or no? This is the concept of increasing function. First we had the function is only increasing, that's why strictly increasing. And the second point we have what? The function is increasing, then it's becoming equal, then it's again increasing. But here in the second part, it is not decreasing at all. It's always increasing or it's always equal. It's like that. So I just